Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the glove box, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and auto-shift manual transmission. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.